Hi, welcome again for Health and Fitness for Us. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to receive any new videos in here. Also, don't forget to like, share and comment the video. Thanks. Imagine a perfectly cooked salmon dish. The skin is crispy, the flesh is tender and flaky, and it's seasoned with fresh herbs and a squeeze of lemon. It's a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate, leaving you satisfied, yet craving for more. This, my friends, is the allure of the salmon dish. But what makes salmon so special? Is it the robust flavor that stands out in any dish, or perhaps its versatility that allows it to be grilled, baked, pan-seared, or even eaten raw in sushi? The answer lies in both, and even more. Salmon is a culinary chameleon. It can be the star of a hearty winter stew or the delicate topping on a summer salad. It can be smoked and served with cream cheese on a bagel, or poached and served with a dill sauce for a fancy dinner. The possibilities are endless, but the charm of salmon goes beyond its versatility. There are different types of salmon, each with its unique taste. The rich, buttery flavor of the king salmon, the subtle sweetness of the sockeye, or the delicate texture of the pink salmon. Each type is a culinary adventure waiting to be explored. Moreover, salmon is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a powerhouse of nutrition. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, high-quality protein, and essential vitamins, it plays a crucial role in a balanced diet. It's heart-healthy, brain-boosting, and can even aid in weight management. In essence, a salmon dish is not just a meal, it's an experience. It's the joy of exploring different flavors and textures, the satisfaction of eating something delicious and nutritious, and the thrill of creating a restaurant-quality dish right in your own kitchen. In the next few minutes, you will uncover the secrets behind preparing and cooking this tantalizing salmon dish at home. And remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, or in this case, a single fillet of salmon. The journey to a perfect salmon dish starts with proper preparation, and the first step to that perfect preparation is selecting a quality piece of salmon. We're looking for a beautiful, bright orange-pink hue, a firm texture, and a clean oceanic aroma. A fishy smell is a red flag, indicating that the salmon is not fresh. Once you've got your perfect piece, it's time to move on to the next step, rinsing. Rinse the salmon under cold running water to remove any lingering scales or debris. This step is especially important if you're working with a whole salmon or a fillet with the skin on. Post-rinsing, it's time to pat the salmon dry. This might seem like an insignificant step, but it's actually quite crucial. Pat drying the salmon ensures that the surface is dry, which in turn helps the seasoning stick better and creates a beautiful, crispy sear when cooked. So, use a paper towel and gently pat the salmon until it's completely dry. Next, we come to the heart of the preparation process, the seasoning. Simple yet effective is our mantra here. A generous sprinkle of salt, a good grind of pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil is really all you need. The salt brings out the flavor of the salmon, the pepper adds a nice heat, and the olive oil helps to keep the salmon moist during cooking. The final step in our preparation process is an often overlooked one, letting the salmon rest. After seasoning, let the salmon sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the seasoning to penetrate the flesh, not just stay on the surface. It also brings the salmon to room temperature, which ensures even cooking. Now that our salmon is ready and waiting, it's time to move to the next crucial stage, cooking. But remember, the journey to a perfect salmon dish starts long before it hits the pan. It starts right here with the proper preparation. A well-prepared salmon is half done, but the true art lies in the cooking. The dance of flame and pan is the first step. A perfectly heated pan is like a warm welcome for your salmon. You know it's ready when it sizzles with anticipation at the touch of a water droplet. Medium-high heat is the sweet spot, not too hot to burn the skin, not too cool to leave it soggy. Next, it's time to introduce the salmon to the pan. With a gentle hand, lay your salmon skin side down. This is the moment when patience becomes a virtue. Resist the temptation to nudge or move the fish around. The salmon and the pan need some alone time to work their magic. This stillness is what gives the salmon its beautiful crispy skin. Halfway through, the salmon is ready for its grand flip. The skin should be golden and crispy, a sign that it's time to give the other side some heat love. Again, patience is key. Let the heat seep through the salmon, cooking it evenly, but be careful not to overdo it. There's a fine line between perfectly cooked and overcooked salmon, and crossing it could mean the difference between a succulent piece of fish and a dry disappointment. Now comes the moment of truth. Is the salmon done? With a fork, gently flake a small piece at the thickest part. If it flakes easily and is mostly opaque with a slight translucence at the center, then congratulations, you have cooked your salmon to perfection. If not, don't fret. A little more time on the heat will get it there. Cooking salmon is a delicate dance of heat, timing, and patience. It's about respecting the ingredient and understanding its needs. The result is a beautifully cooked piece of salmon that's crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Voila, a beautifully cooked piece of salmon. But it's not just about the journey, it's also about the destination. We've embarked on a culinary journey, from understanding the allure of salmon to perfecting its preparation and cooking. We've journeyed through the vibrant fish markets, where we learned to select quality salmon with its distinct rich color and fresh smell. We've explored the art of preparation, where we discovered the importance of proper filleting and seasoning. And finally, we delved into the cooking process, mastering techniques from grilling to pan-searing and learning how to bring out the best of salmon's flavor profile. The beauty of this journey lies in its simplicity. It's not about complicating things, but about appreciating the essence of the ingredients and the joy of cooking. With a little bit of knowledge and practice, anyone can create a restaurant-quality salmon dish right at home. Remember, every culinary journey is an opportunity to create something delightful. Until next time, happy cooking!